hear how the engine sound starts to change, right? That means that clutch is starting to engage. If I go past that, right there, the bike starts to move underneath me, right? So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna find where that engagement zone is, let the bike start to kind of move, and then pull that clutch back in.